Hello, language explorers. I'm Anne, and welcome to Walk a Day English, the channel where we discover real life English by combining daily walks and language learning. Today's video is a special treat. We're taking a walk in our own space to pick up a too good to go purchase and using the app as a tool to improve our English. If you don't have Too Good to Go in your area, try a similar app and go for a walking adventure. If you want to practice everyday vocabulary, learn how to turn errands into language lessons, and find practical ways to fit English into your daily life, you are in the right place. Let's start our adventure with some new words. As we go on our walk to pick up a Too Good to Go surprise bag, we discover lots of useful English, not just in the app, but also in the world around us. The language you see and use, from searching for shops to reading reviews and chatting with the staff, becomes real living vocabulary. There can be a lot of new words in this app, but let's look at 5 words from the app that I found useful. Let's take a look at the first word that I found in the app that I thought would be useful. This word is surprise bag. This is a mystery food pack you buy at a discount. So, depending on the store or the restaurant you are buying from, the mystery bag might have pastries, it might have fruit, vegetables, it might have pasta, lots of different options depending on the type of restaurant or store that you are purchasing from. I reserved a surprise bag from my local bakery. I reserved a surprise bag from my local bakery. Now, another word that will be useful is pickup window. Now, when I first saw this word, I was thinking of a place where I might order ahead and then I go up to a window. They open the window, I pay, they give me my order. That's a different kind of pickup window. And those are found in drive-throughs in most cases. This pickup window means the time when you need to collect your order. So, in this example sentence here, my pickup window is between 2 and 5 p.m. My pickup window is between 2 and 5 p.m. It's not a physical window, but a time window when something is open and I have access to get my purchase. The next word that I thought would be useful is available. This means that something is there for you to take or to buy. So with Too Good to Go, they are selling products that they have too much of, or it's the end of the day, so they want to make sure that there is no waste. So there might be one available. There might be 6 or 7 available. It all depends on the location and the day and the time. There are 2 bakery bags available now. There are 2 bakery bags available now. Allergens. Allergens are ingredients that some people can't eat because they will get sick. So these allergens could be peanuts, they could be fish, mustard, soy, eggs, gluten, dairy. So these in Canada will always be labeled on products so that you know if there's an allergen in that particular product. Please check allergen information before picking up your bag. Please check allergen information before picking up your bag. And the last word we'll look at is receipt. Please be careful of this pronunciation. It does have a silent P. We do not say receipt. We say receipt. Receipt. And this is the proof that you bought something. So with Too Good to Go, you'll have a kind of digital receipt that you will show the staff, and they will then be able to provide you with your surprise box. Show your digital receipt at the counter. Show your digital receipt at the counter. Even small moments like reading a store sign or asking for your order can help you build real world English skills. It's absolutely fine if you don't know every word at first. Every new word is, is progress, and each walk gives you another chance to use English in action. What new words did you discover in the app today? Now, let's talk about turning an app like Too Good to Go into your English classroom. Too Good to Go is an app that fights food waste by letting you buy extra food from local shops at a lower price. It is an app that I often recommend to my students because it allows them to explore Toronto, try new foods, and the prices are budget friendly. It can also be a secret weapon for your language learning if you know how to use it well. So here are 5 tips for using Too Good to Go to grow your English. So first of all, read the app in English. Set your language to English so you see real vocabulary used in context. Menus, locations, descriptions, time. The more you interact with English, the more it will stick and become easier for you to use it. The second tip is to write your notes. As you look for an order, write down those new words, phrases, or even just foods you find interesting. These words then can be used in your journal. You can talk about it with your friends or your classmates or your family about what you saw in the app and what you tried after your order. The third tip is to ask questions when you pick up. This is a great opportunity to practice your speaking of English and interacting with other speakers. Practice a greeting or ask, "How's your day?" or "What's included in today's bag?" It can be short, not a whole long half an hour conversation, but even those little conversations will build your confidence and give you more opportunities to practice and to grow. Our fourth tip is to check the reviews. Read other customers' reviews to learn natural expressions, adjectives, and helpful customer phrases. Actually, why don't you try to write one yourself? That's a great way to practice your English. And the fifth tip is to journal your experience. After your walk and pickup, write a few sentences about what you did using the app's vocabulary. For added challenge, use grammar targets like can, could, or be able to, or other language targets from other Walkaday English language videos. Please don't feel shy. It can be hard to get out of your comfort zone and speak English, but every little conversation, every little note that you write down is a win for you. You can download today's PDF guide linked in the description, which has a vocabulary list, sample phrases, and journaling expressions for you to try as you're taking a walk. And let me know how your Too Good to Go experience goes in the comments. I'd love to read them. Are you ready to practice your speaking out loud? Let's do a shadowing exercise together. Shadowing means listening to me and repeating my sentences right after, matching my rhythm and pronunciation. It's a fantastic way to enhance your listening and speaking skills. Shadowing boosts your ability to understand spoken language by focusing on the real-time sounds and helps you produce more accurate, fluid language when you speak yourself. I have paused between each sentence so that you can pause the video and practice shadowing that sentence. You can go back and try that sentence as many times as you like. When you are ready, you can go on to the next sentence. Are you ready to give it a try? Let's go. My friend recommended this app to me and showed me how it worked. I decided to make it a Wade walk. I found a Tim Hortons, a Canadian coffee and donut shop, and ordered this baked goods box. The box is often called a delightful box. This is a fun play on words. Dough is the wet mix used to make donuts. Delightful sounds a little bit like delightful. We often spell donut, D-O-U-G-H-N-U-T, as donut, D-O-N-U-T, in more casual situations. Tim's is a very casual place. It was a beautiful morning for a walk, so I decided I wouldn't drive to get my too good to go order. As I walked, I thought about how I would rate my experience. There are four categories: pickup experience, food quality, variety of contents, food quantity. It was my first time using this app, but not my first time at Tim's, so I was only a bit out of my comfort zone. The staff was very helpful when I came in and said, I have a too good to go pickup. She showed me how to show her the code and how to mark it as picked up. After picking up my box, I walked home. It was a kilometer each way and enjoyable. I looked forward to the surprise box. When I got home, my family and I opened the box together. There were two muffins, two croissants, an apple fritter, a biscuit, a brownie, and a donut. I was really happy with this mix because there was a variety, and there were 8 items and 4 of us, so it worked out nicely. Too Good To Go stated that the value of my $5 box would be $15, so already a great deal. When I priced it out, it was actually $17.92 plus tax. Next time, I will push myself further outside of my comfort zone to try a place I have never been to. Now it's your turn. Take a walk, try the app, and use the vocabulary you've learned while enjoying real English in action. Remember, each small step you take with language adds up, so keep exploring, keep speaking, and most of all, have fun learning English every day. If you have another app that you think I should try and walk, let me know in the comments. I would love to give it a go. If you would like to get personalized feedback on your journal entry, become a Wade member by signing up on our website. Take a look at the next video for another great Walk-A-Day English language adventure. If you liked this video and would like to see more, click on the subscribe button and let me know in the comments below. Until our next walk, stay safe and go explore your space, one word at a time.